Story: The Goose with the Golden Eggs. Once upon a time, there lived a poor farmer in a small village. He worked very hard every day, but he earned very little money. He had only one goose, and it was his most valuable possession. One morning, when the farmer went to the goose's nest, he saw something shining. To his surprise, there was a golden egg in the nest. He was shocked and very happy. He picked up the egg and took it to the market. The goldsmith checked the egg and said it was real gold. The farmer sold the egg and got a lot of money. The next day, the goose laid another golden egg. The farmer sold it again. Every day, the goose laid only one golden egg. Slowly, the farmer became rich. He bought good food, new clothes, and repaired his house. His life became comfortable. But after some time, the farmer became greedy. He started thinking, why does the goose give only one egg every day? If I kill the goose, I will get all the golden eggs at once. This thought made him impatient. He forgot that the goose was helping him daily. One day, filled with greed, the farmer took a knife and killed the poor goose. He cut open its body to find the golden eggs, but there was nothing inside, no golden eggs, only blood and feathers. The farmer was shocked. He sat on the ground and cried. He realized his big mistake. He remembered how happy the goose once sat in the nest with a golden egg. Now everything was lost forever. The goose was dead. The golden eggs were gone. The farmer again became poor. He understood that greed had destroyed his happiness. But it was too late. Moral of the story: greed ruins all. Thank you for watching this beautiful story. We hope you enjoyed it and learned an important lesson from it. If this story touched your heart, please like the video and share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more simple and meaningful stories to improve your English. See you in the next story.